The most powerful part of your mind, the part of your mind that drives your behaviors, is doing millions of things at the same time. And the vast majority of those things are hidden from you. You being the part of your mind that is listening to me right now and making judgments about what I'm saying. You are the least informed and the last to know anything about what's going on in or around your body. In fact, that by the time you are aware of anything, your unconscious has already taken in, processed, and decided what to do with information. And the only thing you can do about it at that point is to notice what's going on and stop it or redirect the action that is already underway. So the reason you behave differently than you might like is because you want one thing, you, while your unconscious mind obviously has a different agenda. Fortunately, it doesn't have to be that way. We can teach you how to communicate and train the most powerful part of your mind, the unconscious mind, so that you can be on the same page, you can work together and naturally take the actions, effortlessly take the actions that you need to draw you towards your desired outcomes.